take time, and it's actually very difficult for the leaders to keep everybody motivated, without seeing any incremental wins. So that is, one big area that I try to emphasize my energy, help my team figure out how can we break this problem into meaningful chunks so that we can actually, do this whole project or the release iteratively as much as possible. It's difficult. It's more difficult than it appears. I'm sure people in engineering will plus one. But the other part of this is, uh, it's important is the culture of experimentation. I think a lot of times, I have battled this within my organization. Other like people don't want to throw away pieces that they've built, and I recognize and acknowledge that. But I think if we are trying to chip away, or if you're trying to do some short term, and then there's going to be a long term strategic goal, I think there are going to be cases where some things need to be rewritten. So I always tell my engineers, like, be prepared to throw away your code, and go from there, right? So it's a matter of like building a culture of experimentation, identifying some wins. It's more of like thinking like a scientist, where you solve a problem, hypothesize something, and then aim to solve it in a smaller chunk, and then iterate over it